एक इंटरेक्शन है टीम के साथ और प्लेयर्स के साथ, तो वो जो इंटरेक्शन है वो कभी ऐसा लगा है कि उनकी तरफ से इंटिमिडेशन है या दे आर इंटिमिडेटेड और अनकंफर्टेबल विद द वुमन इन द लॉकर रूम, इफ दैट एवर
So,
हैपेंस?
so I'll tell you what, because I have actually spent more time with these guys
हाँ.
than my own family in the last 10 years. It's
Yeah,
true.
yeah,
I'm sort of following the team around and I've been literally part of all these events.
yeah.
तो वो जो एक होता है ना discomfort level of
वो
being
चला
the
गया है.
only woman, uh, you know, again, it was different when I was new because उस वक्त they didn't know me, I didn't know them.
Yeah.
Now I've seen all of them sort of grow up and develop their careers alongside with my careers.
Yeah.
When they started, they were like 18, 19, all these cricketers that you see now, Hassan Ali, Fakar, Shadab, all of them.
Babar.
So, Babar,
Yeah.
ये उस वक्त अपना करियर स्टार्ट कर रहे थे तो उनको भी इतनी आदत होगी है मेरी शक्ल देख देख के कि ये हर जगह होती है तो दे आई फील लाइक वो वी हैव अ वेरी एंड आई हैव इंटरव्यूड देम सो मेनी टाइम्स इन माय लाइफ नाउ इट्स लाइक वो आपका एक कंफर्ट लेवल डेवलप हो जाता है ना लाइक इफ यू इंटरव्यू समबडी अगेन एंड अगेन और इफ यू मीट तो फिर आपको इस तरह नहीं लगेगा कि इट्स अ फॉर्मल इंटरव्यू सो I have a very comfortable space with all the people that I work with now, and that has just come through time and experience.
So nobody's sending you proposals in DMs anymore, or ever since you got married?
No. Thankfully, no cricketer is. Even before, I'll be honest. I think you maybe like shuru mein there was when they don't know you, then you'll get an odd message here and there from someone.
वो message होता क्या है? मेरी friend बने.
नहीं कि मतलब आप फ्री हैं तो खाने पे चलते हैं इस किस्म का शुरू की मैं बात कर रही हूँ उस वक्त एंड बिकॉज they're also testing the waters to see कि ये क्या है कौन है all of that. But I feel like the way you conduct yourself and if you're very transparent and if you know in your head what you're there for, so then they also respect you. So I have actually never felt disrespected by any of the cricketers that I've worked with, which is great.
Yeah,
like
which is great.
I've never felt uncomfortable.
Yeah, which is great.
I share like I have great camaraderie with them. I'll have a laugh or whatever. We'll talk about the sport. We'll talk about their own performance if I'm talking off the record or whatever. But that's it. That's where it ends.
Abhi to khair, you're the star, current star as well. But if you go back into like cricket of yesteryear, do you feel that there was any player that you would perhaps be like starstruck on ke yeah, crush ho jaye, one of the greats, the cricketing greats?
I mean, you see, when I was growing up, though, we had उस वक्त के जो स्टार्स थे ना वो प्रॉपर स्टार्स थे अभी की जो टीम है उसमें उस तरह के स्टार्स नहीं है यू हैड वसीम अकरम यू हैड शुएब अख्तर यू हैड वकार यूनिस यू हैड इमरान खान बिफोर दैट you had Shahid Afridi.
Yes.
So all of them, they had a certain aura about them.
Totally.
And they still do. Like I work with these people now in the commentary box, and they have, they're legends of the game.
Yeah.
And I have so much respect for them, and I'm so inspired by. I mean, I am here doing all of this because I saw them doing what they did, right?
Yeah.
So they all have that strong presence. Afridi, he's got that as well. I mean, I think he's aging backwards, ek to.
Totally reverse.
I think he's aging backwards.
Him and Shahzad Roy both.
Yeah.
I mean,
there's certain people who just never age, and he's one of them. But also, like, he has a presence and he meets you so nicely. Every time you meet him, he's he's got such an energy about him. So, I think they were the real stars. And yes, at that time when I didn't know them, I was intimidated by them. And sabki presence thi. And even I interviewed once Imran Khan, I remember, for cricket. I'm not into politics at all. For cricketing purposes. And I remember talking to him and I was like, this is the first person I'm interviewing who's making me feel nervous. क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरे कुछ साल हो गए हुए थे. And but he had such a presence. He had such a presence. So these people were beyond just cricketers. I think they were like the superstars.
छोटा सा plug in मैं भी करूँ. I've also interviewed Imran Khan, but not for politics or cricket, but for his personal style.
Really?
Because those days as a fashion journalist, he was as a statesman, I interviewed. He's just, he's intimidating. He is. He makes you nervous.
Yeah,
I think
he has a,
just
he has
his
a
aura.
presence.
That's
He has
that
a
absolutely,
presence. So
absolutely.
these people,
Huh.
they had like a personality. So all of
Absolutely.
them, Wasim Akram, Waqar, the people that the ex-cricketers that I mentioned that I happened, even now, by the way, you know, when they walk in a room, you feel like someone has entered
Yeah.
because they've got a legacy behind them.
Totally.
And
And they've won a lot of games, which unfortunately this current team is not
yeah,
doing so well.
Yeah.
I feel bad for them as well, but I'm also very angry with them. As a cricket fan, I'm very upset right now, so I don't even want to go there.
you're not the only one.
I know.
Don't worry.
Oh, I know.
The whole nation is very upset.
The whole
right
nation is
now.
very upset. I
Yeah.
know. Yeah, that's true. But yeah, talking about Afridi and our current stars, I want your take on what's happened these days. Okay, our cricketers are in the news for a couple of wrong reasons, and of course, we know कि ऐसी बात नहीं है, but what do you think happened? For example, with Afridi in Manchester and the whole Friends of Israel situation, क्या हुआ था वो?
Well, he clarified on that, and
Yeah.
he said कि भाई I was walking past and there were these people who पता नहीं had banners or something.
Yeah, I
and
know
he's
what he said.
like he's clarified on his part.
Yeah.
I just feel like I mean मुझे ये social media wars जो है ना ये I find them to be very petty.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Like the cricketers, if they're having a go at each other or people,
Yeah.
you know, I mean, it's very petty. You are like, I feel like ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए
Yeah.
और इसलिए नहीं होना चाहिए because ये वो लोग हैं who we look up to.
Absolutely.
Right? So I think if he clarified that it was a misunderstanding, he's not supporting them. And to be honest, I believe him.
Absolutely. No, that part I believe. Absolutely.
Because I know what he thinks and the
Yeah.
way he functions. And, you know, I know that in this regard, he's very clear.
Yeah.
So I think it was a misunderstanding. And अब हो ये क्या है कि it's become all very political. You know, even our social media is so political.
Even with the Haris Rauf situation, I mean, it shouldn't have been captured on camera. It shouldn't have been put out. पर उसपे पूरी debate हो रही है कि
I
क्या
think
सही क्या
Amna,
गलत।
it kind of reflects on the frustration that we have as a nation.
Also about our cricketers.
Yeah. So you know, like हमारी frustrations अब इन चीजों में निकल रही हैं. You know where our country is going, and our cricket is also a reflection of where our country is.
Absolutely.
So it's really sad. And with Haris Rauf, whatever happened was extremely unfortunate because I don't think that anyone deserves to be abused in the way it happened. But वही बात होती है ना कि जब आपकी performance नीचे जा रही होती है and if you're not doing well as a team, तो आपको पता है back in the day तो it used to be worse. Cricketers used to come at the airport after losing or whatever. उनको अंडे पड़ते थे. And इस तरह की चीजें होती थी. ये भी होता था. So I mean ये unfortunately field ऐसी है जहाँ पे आपको प्यार भी बहुत मिलता है और फिर आपको
गालियाँ भी बहुत पड़ती हैं unfortunately.
Because ये ऐसी ही फील्ड है.
ऐसी ही
अगर आप अच्छा करते हो तो लोग आपको वाह भी करते हैं, they want to be around you, but if you're not and if you've done miserably, which we have this time, तो people are angry and वो बीच में कहीं एक आध कोई फिर निकल आता है जो जरा बदतमीजी भी कर लेता है.